The money you pay on your mortgage each month is building equity for you by paying the loan balance down. Rent, on the other hand, is money you're going to throw away and never see again, and you're sharing it with the landlord. However, make sure you always consult a tax professional, a mortgage professional, and a realtor. You can compare buying a home to an investment account that you actually live in. Property values typically increase, especially over time. Plus, you might be paying the same amount you normally would in rent. So the benefit is twofold. That money is whittling away at the total balance of your mortgage. The investment is increasing in value, plus the balance of your mortgage is decreasing every time you make a payment. You will likely have a tax deduction, and in 5 years, you can increase your net worth by thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. That's your Mortgage Minute. More questions? Let's share a call.